We'll use the block condition action to create a simple star rating block. Let's see what we have here. We've got a block action that defines our star rating card with a CSS style containing the styling for the block. The card has a rating attribute, which is a value from 1 to 5. Our goal is to display stars based on this rating value. First, we need to ensure enough full stars are displayed. If the rating is 3, then 3 stars should be displayed. If it's 5, 5 stars should be displayed, and so on. To do this, we'll use Pinegrow's multi-select feature. First, select the first full star, then hold down Command or Control on Windows and Linux, and click the rest of the full stars. Next, click on Block Condition action. This adds the action to all selected elements. We'll use the rating attribute. Let's say the value is 1. Then we can choose an operator. Here we'll select larger or equal. The first star will be displayed if the rating is larger or equal to 1. For the second star, the value should be 2, since we want to display this star only if the rating is greater or equal to 2. For the third star, the value is 3, for the fourth, it's 4, and for the fifth star, the value is 5. Now let's do something similar for the empty stars. We'll use the block condition again with the rating attribute, but this time, the operator will be smaller. So the first empty star will be displayed if the rating value is less than 1. The second one will be 2. The third one will be 3, the fourth one will be 4, and the last one will be 5. So the last star will be displayed only when the rating is less than 5. Does that make sense? Now let's test the block. First, we need to export the plugin, but we have to select the export folder first. I've already created one, but you'll need to create one in your plugins folder of your local WordPress installation. Save, and export the plugin. The plugin file is generated in the source project. Now let's try it out. First, go to Plugins and activate our new Weather Star Rating Card plugin. Then, go to the Pages. Add the star rating card to the page and test different ratings, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It works perfectly. Save the page. Now let's go back to Pinegrow and find a way to make these icons customizable, so we can change the icon used to display the rating. First, create an attribute for the full stars. Select the 5 full stars and add a block attribute section. The attribute ID is icon full, and the title is icon full. The attribute will be used as an image. Next, select the 5 empty stars and add a block attribute. This time the attribute ID is icon empty, and the title is icon empty. If we want to use inline SVG images, go to Plugin Settings and enable Allow using inline SVG images in block attributes in the block section. Save settings and export the plugin. Now let's reload the page and recover the block. Here, we can select the images that represent the full icon and empty icon. We have the option to edit the SVG icon. Let's clear this up. We'll use Bootstrap icons. Find a circle. To use a full circle, just copy the SVG code. Paste it here. You can see that now we use full circles instead of full stars. Let's do the same for the empty icon. Let's copy the empty circle. Replace the SVG code. And now we have it. Our rating uses our custom icons to display the rating. I think it deserves 5 stars or 5 circles because it was very easy to make with the help of the new block condition action.